Standard English Book, page number 39, question number 3. Work and workers match the following.
Work and workers match the following.
A person
A person
who dances,
who dances,
dancer.
dancer.
A person
A person
who repairs things,
who repairs things,
mechanic.
mechanic.
A person
A person
who writes,
who writes,
writer.
writer.
A person
A person
who paints,
who paints,
painter.
painter.
A person
A person
who works
who works
in a garden,
in a garden,
gardener.
gardener.
A person
A person
who creates
who creates
something,
something,
creator.
creator.
A person
A person
who acts,
who acts,
actor.
actor.
Where is actor? Here. Actor. A person
A person
who swims,
who swims
it's called a swimmer.
is called a swimmer.